Welcome back my YouTube channel Coin Discovery Old Zone. Today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the 1996 P Jefferson Nickel, a coin. Let's begin by getting familiar with the 1996 P Jefferson Nickel. This coin was minted at the Philadelphia Mint, and like most modern nickels, it features Thomas Jefferson on the obverse, along with Monticello, Jefferson's home, on the reverse. The 1996 P is part of the larger Jefferson Nickel series, which was first introduced in 1938. Now, if you look closely at the design of this nickel, you'll notice the familiar features of the Jefferson series. Jefferson's portrait facing left and Monticello, where Jefferson spent much of his life, depicted on the reverse side. However, there's something about the 1996 P that has collectors buzzing. The 1996 P Jefferson Nickel is notable for its mint mark, the P for the Philadelphia Mint, which is found on the reverse side of the coin, right next to the date. This mint mark is important because it helps us identify where the coin was made. But what makes this coin so special isn't just its mint mark, it's the potential rarity and how a select few of these coins could be worth a small fortune. So, why is the 1996 P Jefferson Nickel valued so highly by collectors? Well, it all comes down to a rare minting error. Some of the 1996 P nickels were struck with a rare feature known as a double die obverse, which means that the coin's design has a double impression, especially visible in the date and lettering. This means that the coin has two impressions of the date or letters, creating a distinctive doubling effect. If you look closely, you might be able to spot it. This error is rare, and because of that, coins with this flaw are much more valuable. In fact, some of these error coins have sold for as much as $12,500 at auction, and that's where things get exciting. While most 1996 P nickels are worth just a few cents, those with the double die error have become highly sought after by collectors and numismatists alike. Alright, let's talk about how you can identify if you've got one of these rare 1996 P double die nickels. You'll need a good magnifying glass or a loupe to get a close look. The most noticeable doubling can usually be seen on the digits of the year, 1996. If you see a faint second impression or ghost image of the numbers, that's your first clue. Additionally, the lettering in Liberty and In God We Trust can also show signs of doubling. Here's a side-by-side comparison of a regular 1996 P nickel and a double die error coin. As you can see, the double die has a clear extra layer of the date and letters, which creates a unique visual effect. It's important to know that not all 1996 P nickels will have this error, so it's crucial to inspect yours carefully. Now, let's talk about value. A regular 1996 P Jefferson Nickel is worth just 5 cents, nothing too special. But once you discover the double die error, the value can skyrocket. For a coin in good condition with the error, you're looking at a price range of $1,000 to $12,500, depending on the coin's condition and the market. The condition of the coin plays a significant role in determining its value. Coins that are graded as MS 65 or higher, which means they are in nearly perfect condition, can command the highest prices. A well-preserved 1996 P double die nickel could fetch thousands at an auction, making it a serious find for collectors. Let's break it down by condition. For example, if you have a 1996 P double die in good condition, you could still see a few $100s. But in excellent condition, particularly with that sharp doubling visible, expect the value to rise significantly. A coin that grades as MS 67 or higher is where the big bucks come in, potentially reaching that $12,500 price tag. So, what do you do if you find one of these rare double die error coins? First off, congratulations! Now, let's talk about how to sell it. There are a few options for selling your 1996 P double die nickel. You can start by checking out reputable coin dealers or online auction sites like eBay, Heritage Auctions, or even specialized coin auction houses. Make sure you have your coin graded by a professional grading service like the Numismatic Guarantee Corporation (NGC) or the Professional Coin Grading Service (PCGS) to ensure you get the best price. Grading is crucial because a properly graded coin will fetch a higher price. You want to make sure potential buyers know exactly what they're getting. So, there you have it. The 1996 P Jefferson Nickel, an ordinary coin that can be worth up to $12,500, thanks to a rare minting error. If you're a coin collector or just someone who loves discovering hidden treasures, always be on the lookout for those subtle details that could make all the difference. Remember, not every 1996p nickel will have the double die error. But with a keen eye and a little patience, you could find one of these valuable coins in your collection. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coin collecting tips and exciting discoveries. Pace of currency. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe. Coin Discovery Old Zone. See you next video.